Oh well, good morning everybody and welcome along to this absolutely freezing vlog on my commuting to work on the Honda CRF250 Rally. It's freezing. That's all we seem to have is freezing cold weather, and actually I'm going to turn on the heated grips. This morning I just wanted to basically do a vlog, no massive reason for it, just have a chat on the bike, do a video, make some thrilling content. I asked a question last night, probably a bit late, on my Instagram. I got 2 responses, which is probably not a bad thing because I would have forgotten every single person. So 2 is fine. I can barely remember my name in the morning, so 2 will do. So I'll start with DW Moto, and I'll put a little ditty up to his page. So DW Moto asks, what are the best CAFs or best motorcycle CAFs? Now in Somerset I haven't actually frequented that many. I just go to bike meets, and obviously the Langport Bike Night is major one, and Western Bike Night when I get a chance, but I've not really been to any CAFs as such. However, in my past frequenting this, I have gone to, I mean, there's the obvious one if you live in the area, or if you, it's a great one. It always used to be great. Back in the day it was the one to go to, wasn't it? Box Hill Rikers CAF up in Surrey. It's makes, apparently it's got the best burgers, and I haven't had a burger there in a while, but when I did they were really lovely, and some great roads around there. But it just gets so busy now, it's crazy. But I saw a couple of videos up the other day, some old videos from the chaps leaving Box Hill down the dual carriageway and doing wheelies and stuff. Those were the days. And then the police cracked down on it, and that was the end of that. And then of course a really obvious one is Loomies, and I went there for the first time a couple of years ago when we went to Sammy Miller's for a day out on the bikes, and pretty cool place. Had a nice breakfast there and then headed on through the New Forest and stuff. That was really nice. Those are the 2 biker CAFs that I know. I'm not massively au fait with CAFs in the area, but there we go. And this 360 keeps stopping recording. God damn it. The other person who answered the question, or asked the question, was Moto Mango. Again, I will frequent the screen with a link or a picture of his Instagram. And he said, actually before I say what he said, I'll fill it in what he does. Moto Mango basically restores and builds bikes, and he's pretty cool actually. He's got a great YouTube channel, very well filmed, very informative. Moto Mango asked me, can anybody build motorbikes if they put their mind to it? That's a good question actually. Now, could I build motorbikes? I think if I had the time and the patience, yes, I probably could. I'd also need a better garage with better tools, I think. I think there's a will, there's a way, and I think most people could if they wanted to. I do feel like the current generation of bikers, there's definitely so much more information out there to do this. Like, you've got YouTube, like Mango Moto, you know, he's got a YouTube page which shows you basically him building bikes, and there's no reason why you couldn't follow his techniques or use his techniques as a base. I think it's possible. If you put your mind to it, anything's possible. I'd like to know what all you guys think as well. Or give me DW Moto, check him out. He's got a Royal Enfield Interceptor, it's really nice. And the Triumph's Tiger. Cool little Instagram page. Lovely pictures. So go and check him out. But basically, what's your favourite calf? Comment below. Where's your favourite place to go at a weekend or during the day to any calf? Let me know below. There's loads of calves these days as well, isn't there? Popping up like dedicated spaces with a moto theme. So yeah, let me know below. And the other question, let me know what you think. Can you build your own bike if you put your mind to it? It's not as cold as it's been. It was freezing yesterday, really biting. Let me get some fuel in here. I don't know if that's too bad. 91 miles, which basically costs about 8-9 quid to fill this thing up. And all I'm doing is backwards and forwards to work. It's not a very long journey. 91 miles is pretty good. Well, at the moment it's 20 miles better than the MT-01, and the MT-01's got a bigger tank. So I don't know if you're new to the channel, check out the rest of my videos. I've made a massive decision to cut out the RC stuff on the channel, and most of that was quite successful, and that was the reason why. It was 250/50, and I was struggling to find the time to keep up with the RC stuff and the money, so I've separated it out. I've moved all the RC videos onto another channel. There are some stragglers, but that's fine. They've all been moved to a new channel, Tom's TC RC, check it out. All the bike stuff will stay here, all the RC stuff will go there. And I have got some plans. I've still got loads of RC cars that need fixing and rebuilding, so there's plenty of stuff to come. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the interaction. If you haven't done so already, please give me a subscribe. It all counts. I really appreciate it. Comment below. Say hello. Introduce yourself. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video.